Today is our last stop on leg 2 for the road to ChannelCon. We're at the Global Command Center here for Dell. We're going to stop in and talk to some technicians and support staff, really just any IT pros to get their stories and share them with you.
I joined the military. I was supposed to be an engineer, but I happened to get into communications. And so through communications, they sent me to Korea, to Kuwait, to different countries, and I kind of just picked up the IT from there.
It's always interesting when somebody comes from a non-technical background and wants to kind of move into technology, but I was actually one of those people. I got my bachelor's degree in psychology, so technology was more of a hobby of mine. I liked computers, I liked messing with them, but it wasn't until I kind of came to Dell that I realized that I could turn my hobby into a career and kind of combine my passion and my job.
What inspires me most about IT is helping people. That's my driven passion. So whenever they're on the line and they're upset, I get it. But because I am the person that can put it back together, it makes me happy.
So my favorite thing is to fix things. I just like the accomplishment of saying, okay, this was broken and now it's fixed, and the challenges that come in between them.
I think one of the most important things with Dell is that it's always striving to be better. It's very competitive, and in that it makes a good product for its customer, but also makes it to where it's a good workplace to be in. It's always something new, and you always kind of feel welcome, like it's a very good team environment.
It really is the people that power everything that is Dell. Everybody's very willing to collaborate and communicate and approach difficult problems and work together to solve them pretty effortlessly.
As soon as I got here, 3-4 months down the line, supervisors are like, hey, what do you want to do? So it's like, okay, you guys are pushing me to find my destiny. And that's how they enhanced it, is by them being the advocate for growth. And that's what I love about Dell.
We've had an amazing day here today at Dell, so we'd like to thank them for being such wonderful hosts. We had an opportunity to meet and interview some really great people and share their story with you. We are currently in Round Rock, Texas. We need to head out to Vegas, so we're going west, and we'll see you at ChannelCon.